So let's see the next problem. In a slider crank mechanism, the length of the crank and the connecting rod are 150 mm and 600 mm respectively. The crank position is 60 degree from the inner dead center. The crankshaft speed is 450 rpm clockwise. Using analytical method, determine velocity and acceleration of the slider. And second question, angular velocity and angular acceleration of the connecting rod. So there are two subdivisions in this problem. It's a simple straightforward problem. Just put all the four formula you know from the derivation and substitute the values, will get straight away answers. So let us list down the given data. Radius of the crank is given as 150 millimeter. Okay, so it is 0.15 meter. R is equal to 0.15 meter. And the length of the connecting rod is given as 600 mm. So L is equal to 0.6 meter. Crank position is 60 degree from the inner dead center, which is theta is 60 degree from the horizontal in the clockwise direction. So N is 450 rpm, and now we are going to convert this into omega. 2 pi n by 60, 2 pi into 450 whole divided by 60, so that gives you 47.13 radians. So these are the given data. Okay, so first part of the problem, velocity and acceleration of the slider. Okay, so before that I have to find out the obliquity ratio. Okay, N is equal to L by R. So this is a well known formula. N is equal to L by R, 0.6 by 0.15. So therefore N is equal to 4. So that's very simple. So first thing, I am going to find out the velocity of the piston. So the formula for velocity of the piston is this is where we have already used this formula many times. Omega into R into sin theta plus sin 2 theta divided by 2n. So what are all the values I have? Put omega is equal to 47.13, that you have just now calculated, 47.13 here in place of omega. Okay, so next R is 0.15 meter. Okay, and theta is equal to 60 degree here and here, theta equal to 60 degree, and n is equal to 4, and solve for all the values. Just substitute everything, and if you see, if you put all these values, 47.13 into 0.15 multiplied by sin 60 into sin 2 into 60 divided by 2 into 4, the answer is 6.9 meter. If you solve this in your calculator, you will get 6.9 meter per second. Please just don't write 6.9, try to solve it yourself and check whether you are getting this answer. Okay, please cross check with the answer. So acceleration of the piston, the second subdivision of the first question, acceleration of the piston, this same formula that you have used already, omega square R cos theta plus cos 2 theta divided by n. Okay, so now it's the same values, whatever you have above, just put them back here. Okay, so what happens is 47.13 is omega square R cos 60 plus cos 2 into 60 divided by 4. Okay, now solve this and try to find out the answer. Pause the video here and try to find the answer yourself and cross check with the answer that I am going to give. So on solution we get 124.94 meter per second square. So the acceleration of the piston is at the angle theta equal to 60 degree is 124.94 meter per second square. So that completes the first question. Now we are moving to the second question, angular velocity and angular acceleration of the connecting rod. Okay, so approximate angular velocity of the connecting. See what the formula that we have been using till now is an accurate formula, and here we are introducing an approximate formula. See, please note down this formula. You have to make a note this. In addition to the four formulas you have already, please make a note of the two formulas that we are going to use here. Since theta is very small, see, if theta is very small, since theta is very small, sin square theta will be very small. So I am ignoring from the previous formula that I know, and the formula changes to omega square, I mean omega PC equal to omega cos theta divided by n. This is an approximation of the normal formula that you already have, that you have already used. Okay, so what happens is angular velocity of the connecting rod is, substitute all the values. Omega is 47.13, omega is 47.13, theta is 60 degree divided by n is 4. This is a approximation. You can use this everywhere. This formula is much simpler to solve for angular velocity of connecting rod. So you have to make a note of this new formula along with the formula that you have already written in your notebook for angular velocity of connecting rod. This is a simplified version of that earlier formula. Okay. So answer is 5.9 radians per second for angular velocity of the connecting rod. Likewise, I am going to have another simplified formula for angular acceleration of the connecting rod. Okay. So make a note of this formula also, this new formula, alpha PC, angular acceleration of the connecting rod, equal to omega square sine theta divided by n. Here also I have ignored the square terms of sine. Okay. So you have to make a note of this formula in your notebook along with the fourth formula that you already have for alpha PC. So this is a new formula number 3, and this is a new formula number 4 in your notebook in our previous video. The formulas given in our previous videos from the derivation. Okay. So substitute the values into this formula. Why do we do this? Because it makes the calculations much simpler. The answer you are going to get out of this is almost equal to the answer that you normally get out of the previous formulas. So it is an approximation. Okay. So if you want a very, very accurate answer, you have to go with the previous formulas. Otherwise, this is good. Okay. Substitute the values now. Omega is 47.13. Okay. In place of omega, I am putting 47.13. In place of theta, I am putting 60. In place of n, I am putting 4. Okay. So solving this, I get 481 radians per second square is the angular acceleration of the connecting rod when my crank is at 60 degree position. So that completes the problem. Let's summarize the results. So velocity of the piston when theta is 60 degree is 6.9 meter per second. The same position, acceleration of the piston is 124.94 meter per second square. Angular velocity of the connecting rod at the same position, theta is 60, theta equal to 60 degree is omega PC is 5.9 radians per second, and at the same crank position, theta equal to 60, the angular acceleration of the connecting rod alpha PC will be 481 radians per second square. Okay. So I really insist you to pause the video then and there and try to solve the problems yourself and try to check your answers with the video answer. And this problem is directly taken from the Kurmi textbook, example problem number 15.5. So